Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Alright, well, it's been a while, hasn't it? 2 weeks, I think. No video. But in that time, I've bought the new Action Cam 4, which is what you're looking at here. A mini mic that's going to go inside the helmet, so the camera you're looking at me with is going to go on the front, chin mount. Microphone inside, and I've got this little thing here. This is a remote control for this camera. How good is that? How good is that? So if this goes well, this is a little test run. Going to take the Harley out, the loud one. Going to take this out, and if this goes well, I'll get another Action Camera 4. And that'll be for the mount on here, so you get a lovely view of me as I'm riding and a POV view to sort of alternate between the two. How good will that be? That'll be exciting, won't it? It'll make my videos go viral every time. Anyway, gonna go for a ride, test out the equipment. Join me. Look at this. It's always a treat when I get this working and running and get it on the road. I mean, it's always working and running, but it's always nice to use it. Alright, let's go and enjoy a little bit of street time. Ooh. There we go, it's away. Yeah, a bit of an accident there. Oh, I don't know what the sound is going to be like on this test run. Don't know, because I got something across my face. Don't know if the engine's too loud. Don't know anything. Wanker. What a wanker. Because he looks like a cunt on an old piece of shit. Do you ever get that when you, I don't know, some people have the wrong idea about Harleys. I mean, I ride fucking everything. But some dick just went past on an old Daytona. Give him a little salute, kind of hello. You know, because we're both enjoying the same sensations. And nothing. You know what I mean? Probably because it's a Harley and he's got his little prejudices. One of them being he's broke. That's why he's riding an old Triumph. Just work harder, man. Just focus. Don't work hard, work smart. Well, I tell you what, I love this bike though. Whew. It's just an event. You know, it's not a ride, it's an event. It's a visceral event. It's a stirring of the senses. You got the vibrations, you got the, you know, you're being bucked out the seat on every bump, you know, because of what I've done to the back end, it feels like a hardtail because the suspension's so hard. So every little bump, it breaks your spine, compresses your spine, throws you out the seat. But when you open the throttle, oh, my God, it just makes you feel alive. Fantastic.
the old Tesla, the electric battery operated car, giving it some beans. I'll tell you one thing, you ain't getting the sensations I'm getting. The smell of fuel, rich fuel being burnt in a V-twin engine, coming out straight shotgun Vance and Hines pipes. Yep. Instead he's got some sanitized dishwasher on wheels, some white goods on 4 wheels, sorry. Just nonsense. How people can enjoy that, I don't know. You know, when you've got something like this, a big old beast between your legs, a fuel tank full of explosive fuel, a big combustion engine underneath you. It's technically a bomb on 2 wheels and you stick it between your legs. I love it. Oh, this thing will shake your fillings out. I mean, you really have to hold on for dear life. Because this thing bounces and bucks like a bronco. It is a beast. I've created an absolute beast of a bike. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's got so much torque from that 1200cc V-twin Evolution engine, and the big fat tyres on it, and the rock hard suspension at the back just means it's a fight. If you're on it for an hour, you're fighting for an hour. And it's wonderful. But my God, you know you're on it, that's for sure. And it feels like it doesn't want you on it. It feels like it wants you off. It wants to get you off its back. It wants to run free on its own. It's like a wild stallion that you're trying to break in. And it's wonderful.
I love this bike. Now, so good. Especially under these fucking, under this flyovers. See those peaks?